Do you use foundation? How much exactly? 'Cause I like it a whole lot. In fact, I could just swim in it. Come on. You know the process is way messier than the end result. Oh, can't forget my lips. And then it's blending time. Gorgeous, right? Too bad this is a no makeup zone. Check it out, an empty pool. Just gotta get past this guy. Hi there. Just wanna go swimming, sir. Then you'd better do something with all that makeup. Go! Seriously? Way to burst my bubble. What's wrong with my makeup? I can't just throw it out. So I'll hide it. Problem solved. Let's do this. Can I go in now? I guess you can head on in. Thanks a bunch! You think I can't see all that? No makeup. Ugh! Okay, I'm ready to swim now. Yeah? What's in there? Just the essentials. See? What the… Oh, and my favorite paddle. Do I need new glasses? And I don't go anywhere without this. Okay, I guess. Thanks. Finally! I thought I'd never get in. Good thing water guns are allowed. It's just about time to reapply. These blemishes won't cover themselves. Much better. What's going on over there? I said no makeup! Come back here! Whoa! I didn't see anything. Ugh. Then you multiply. What's she doing? Haven't checked my phone in a while. It's from Naomi. A party? Really? Yep. You come in? Obvi. Touch-ups are definitely in order. Starting with eyeshadow. Excuse me? You know the rules, missy. No makeup. What? Such a stupid rule. Aw, that's too bad. I know! Just use my special calculator. Why? Just trust me. Okay. Wow! This is brilliant! Come here! What? No way. Use these foam pieces to cover the palette. See all these little pieces? They'll make up all the buttons. Just have the screen left. And that's it. I'm gonna take this thing for a test drive. These colors are nice too. Hey! What did I just say? What's wrong with my calculator? Is that what it is? Okay. Anyway. It worked! Yeah, and he was like, no. Let's see a different movie. Uh-huh.
What's going on over there? Hey!
No makeup allowed!
Can't you read?
What? It's just lipstick? Whatever. So silly. Wait. I have an idea. Hey, just keep your lipstick here. It's your shade too. You can apply it without anyone seeing. How'd you do that? First, cut off the tip of your umbrella. It may take a few minutes. But before you stick the lipstick on, put some hot glue here. Then stick it right on the tip. Can I give it a try? Looks like you're holding an umbrella. Such a simple trick. And back under the shade we go. Another day, another painting. It's actually kind of fun. I paint with different materials.
Huh? What are you doing?
Just my afternoon touch-up.
No. Put it away.
Ugh. Really? Fine. Whatever. It's gone, okay? These rules are ridiculous. He's not even looking anymore. At least I can fix up my lips. Such a perfect shade.
Naomi! That's enough!
I was just throwing it away, sir. You happy? Sorry. Wait a minute. I can just use different materials. Let's see what I can come up with here. School supplies it is. Let's do it. Ugh. This is a little messier than I thought. Okay, like my little star? I'm definitely not done yet. Just need a little bit of glue. Done! Now it can work like a little stamp. But for my face! Gotta make it even. Yes! Huh? Did she run out of paper?
What? I can't believe what I'm seeing! Ugh.
It's so cute, right? I dare those girls to get their makeup past me today. I don't think so. But it's just a little powder. Can't you read? Ugh. Fine. Look at all that jewelry she has on. Interesting. I can make my makeup look more like jewelry then. Use hot glue to bedazzle your compact. And you can put on as much as you want. Then add hot glue to a bracelet. And stick the compact on top. It's ready! Can I go in? Let's see about that. I don't see any makeup. Well… Okay, go on in. Thanks. Worked like a charm. Just gotta dab off that sweat. Phew! I showed her. Phew. I showed her. So far this craft is coming along quite nicely. Easy. I'm more focused on these nails. I wish I was at the salon. So many colors! Yay! I think that about does it. Why, thank you! I love the smell of money! Wow. Huh? What is Naomi doing over there? Hand it over. What? No makeup. Now hand it over. What? Ow. Okay, fine. Here. Ugh. Hey, look at that blade. I'm just gonna borrow this. Take your nail file and use the hole punch to puncture it. Then comes the next step. Take off the elastic end of the tool. Then position it on the nail file. Now slide it into the device. So simple. Okay, we're back in business. It doesn't even look like a nail file. What? But the teacher! Hey! What? Naomi is filing her nails again? Stop that now! Just crafting. Very well. That was close. Could you live without makeup? If not, you'd better memorize some of these tips and tricks. Don't forget to share this video with your makeup-loving friends. Watch these yet? Subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on the fun.